Tonight, there's growing fear that Medicaid may be part of the trillions in proposed federal budget cuts.
More than 3.7 million Floridians are enrolled in Medicaid or CHIP. That's the Children's Health Insurance Program.
CBS News Miami's Steve Majiri spoke to a foster mother about how the publicly funded program keeps her two foster children healthy.
1, 2, 3, and hold on, you got it. That cast don't stop nothing, does it?
Cortez Lewis says she's the foster mother of these two babies. She says the boy has been in a cast for most of his life because his feet didn't develop properly. And she says his 2-month-old sister didn't get proper nutrition while in the womb.
You fussing? If I turned you over, would you go to sleep right now?
Lewis says Medicaid funds all of their health care. She's concerned she may lose it due to proposed budget cuts passed as part of a budget resolution. Speaker of the House Mike Johnson is ruling out certain cuts to the program, but the House Committee on Energy and Commerce has to cut $880 billion in spending. A New York Times analysis found that almost all of the spending that committee oversees is for Medicare and Medicaid, making it hard to work around cutting entitlements.
If we lose Medicaid, this is going to affect his health care. We had surgery, he was cast after that, then he went into the braces. All of that comes through Medicaid.
Johnson instead said that his budget plan will protect Medicaid, but will still probe waste, fraud, and abuse.
And the estimate is, I think it's $50 billion a year in fraud alone in Medicaid. Those are precious taxpayer dollars.
Allison Yeager is the executive director of the Florida Health Justice Project. She disagrees with the speaker.
These cuts that are on the table are not about cutting waste. They're about diminishing the funds that go to states, and ultimately that's going to translate into less coverage for very sick people.
Miami-Dade County Mayor Daniela Levine Cava sent a letter to Florida's congressional delegation urging them to shoot that measure down. But it passed, and it's now in the Senate. President Trump has said that Medicaid cuts will not be a part of the budget. In Miami Gardens, Steve Majiri, CBS News, Miami.